Feedback loops are a very large part of global climate change. There are two types of feedback loops, positive and negative. This can be kind of confusing because in terms of climate change, negative feedback loops are good and positive feedback loops are bad. This is because a negative feedback loop means to return to equilibrium, whereas a positive feedback loop means to find a new equilibrium. Returning to equilibrium is important because extremes can change conditions within an ecosystem so that it is no longer habitable to organisms living there. An example of a positive feedback loop is the ice caps melting. As it melts, there is less ice to reflect light and heat energy from the Earth, which then causes the Earth to absorb more heat, melting more ice caps. It is positive because the ice never returns to its original state. An example of a negative feedback loop is when there is excess carbon dioxide, like after a volcanic eruption. This causes more plants to grow, which then uses more CO2, returning the levels of CO2 to its original state, or equilibrium. Overall, feedback loops are very important to climate change.